Hi, welcome. This video is about why making money online may or may not be right for you. If you are interested in earning money online, or if you are considering making money online, stay with me. I will be sharing some truths, both good and bad, truths about making money online that no one is talking about. Let us begin with talking about your time. It simply makes good sense that the more time that you can spend, especially when you are getting started, the better. But isn't the object of making money online to give you more spare time, not less? That is usually the promise, and it is not a lie, but you need to know that you are most likely going to have much less leisure time while you are getting started. Also, you are likely to not see much cash at first. Nevertheless, making money online is still a phenomenal opportunity. What you may not be aware of, is that making money online allows you to take advantage of several economic levers. Financial levers that are not available on a regular job. One of these financial levers is the ability to duplicate your initiatives over and over. You can create websites, or landing pages, or video clips, today and tomorrow and the next day and more. In addition, your efforts have what is called a residual effect, which means that they can make you money today, as well as tomorrow, and so on. Put both together and you get another lever, which is the cumulative result. All of a sudden, the sky is the limit. Let's take a real live example of how this works. Mr. P recently put a pencil to a brand new YouTube channel. It has been a few weeks. Mr. P wants to see how this new YouTube channel is likely to perform in terms of revenue. If you are enjoying this video, so far. If you are finding value in this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Turn the like button black. Do that right now, thank you. If this is the kind of content that interests you, consider joining the channel. Hit the subscribe button, smash the subscribe button and ring the bell, so that Mr. P can let you know whenever a new video is uploaded. Back to our video. In order to grow this channel, Mr. P is using one of the easiest methods to earn money online, which is reposting already made videos on YouTube. All the techniques and resources are free and organic. This sounds great, but there are some important details that no one ever shares. Mr. P is investing about 9 hours a week into the new channel. After 4 weeks, the channel is experiencing about 60 views a day. Because of duplication and the residual effect, the number of views are going to grow exponentially. In about 3 more months it should be able to qualify as a YouTube partner. In other words, after about 120 days without spending any money, the channel should make its first paycheck, which should be from $40 to $100. Even for a low investment of only 9 hours a week, the initial return is poor. Wait. Before you write this off, let's look at how Mr. P's efforts will reward him if he persists. Projecting the channel's growth in 12 months, the minimal return should be $560 to $1,400. Without investing any more time, in other words, staying at 9 hours a week, Mr. P is anticipating $2,000 to $3,000 at the very least. If he is fortunate, the chances are that numerous videos will obtain a great deal of views, so $2,000 to $3,000 per month is very conservative. Not a bad return for 9 hours a week. I apologize for sharing what may initially seem to be bad news about making money online. It is not bad news. In fact, when you realize that persistent action is the key, let us hope that you are going to be much more willing to stay with it. You may not realize this, but the only way to fail at making money online is to quit. I hope that this video will help you to avoid quitting, thus ensuring your online success. If you are willing and able to constantly commit 9 or 10 hours minimum each week to making money online, you have an opportunity to grow a home business, your own personal home business, a business venture that you can start with no money and one that has infinite potential. Although I cannot lawfully make any financial pledges, I promise you that making money online is worth investigating. Follow these 3 steps. Find a make money online opportunity that works. Then hold on and do not let go. Step 3 is to join this channel. You will have access to first-hand training that focuses on free. If you have not yet given this video a thumbs up, please do not forget, and allow me to remind you to consider joining the channel. Many thanks for watching. Allow me to wish you much success. See you in the next video.